Hello, welcome to the High River District Healthcare Foundation. I'm Jody Seeley, and joining us is Kathy Cooey from the foundation. And it's going to be an exciting week because we've got a scrolling banner on the video. So you know it's a big deal. Raffle time.
Yoo-hoo, 50-50 people, get your tickets.
Well, we know that everybody loves a raffle, and so we had an opportunity to do another one that's in partnership with our friends at the Sheep River Health Trust. And Kathy, give us some details about Rural Health Matters Week.
So Rural Health Matters Week is actually hosted by the Rural Health Professionals Action Plan, and it's an Alberta program. And what they do, it's kind of similar to our Healthcare Heroes Day. It's really encouraging the community, communities across the province to give a shout out and honor their local healthcare teams, and which is exactly what we do on Healthcare Heroes Day. So, as you mentioned, our friends at the Sheep River Health Trust, they wanted to partner with us and to participate in Rural Health Matters Weeks. Week. We are, we look after the communities of Nanton, High River, Black Diamond, Okotoks, and all of the surrounding communities providing healthcare. And so a great opportunity for us to partner with them. And we decided with a 50-50, and proceeds from the 50-50 will go back to staff initiatives like scholarships and retention and recruitment programs. So a good way for us to directly give back to those staff that are caring for our community members every day.
Awesome. I love that. So it's kind of like a 50-50-50. Or I guess if we were going to be mathematical, it'd be 50-25-25, but you know what we mean.
Absolutely.
Partnering to have some fun and hopefully reach. Do you know what the prize amount is at?
Last time I looked, it was over $3,300. So and growing. So wanting people to get their tickets, they can buy tickets up till Thursday at midnight. A sellout would take us to $20,000, which means the lucky winner would take home $10,000. So the higher we can get those tickets, the better that lucky winner will be able to take home.
Think about all the gas. You'll actually be able to go camping this summer if you win $10,000. Like, it'll be so perfect.
This is just the gas budget for the summer.
Awesome. So you can get the tickets to that and link to everything raffle at our website at highriverhealthfoundation.ca. But this is pretty fun. And you'll see all week long, we're going to be sharing fun quotes from some of our different rural healthcare team members. And also, if you follow along Sheep River Health Trust, they're sharing some really great photos from their team members too. So just kind of fun that we're connecting together on it.
Yeah, and what's really kind of neat about it, Judy, is we always hear the perspective from the patient or the client's side, how much they appreciate having the local healthcare here. But now we're hearing the statements and why it's important from the staff. And, it's what was really kind of compelling to me the other day was one of them said, we aren't just treating patients and residents, we're treating our neighbors and our friends and our family members. And I think that is one real big difference in a rural community is quite often, the person coming through the door.
Absolutely. So the big draw is going to be happening on Friday morning. So like Kathy said, you have until midnight on Thursday to get your raffle tickets at highriverhealthfoundation.ca. Now, believe it or not, we are almost in a brand new month. Do you remember where May went?
Or January, February, March, April?
Yeah, I feel like it was like January, then it was all of a sudden Healthcare Heroes Day a few weeks ago, and now we're at June. And just like that. But a really cool community event that's coming up in High River on June 12th is called Picnic with a Purpose. Kathy, what is this?
So Picnic with a Purpose was derived, it's being led and was derived by our friends at the Rowan House. And they received a grant to do some projects in the community collaboratively with other social profits and other nonprofits. And they came up with a Picnic with a Purpose with the intent of kind of reintroducing these incredible organizations to our community and the community to all of those organizations. And what a better way to do that than a fun family picnic in the amazing George Lane Park.
Picnic? So, do you have your picnic basket?
We were saying that earlier. It's the Yogi Bear coming out.
Anytime you can be Yogi, you got to be. So people can come to the park on the 12th and you can get introduced to multiple organizations while you're there, which I think is really cool and fun.
Absolutely. That and the list just keeps growing who's participating and what's going to be available there. And as far as the organizations and a lot of things above that, we're going to have our brand new ladder truck there. There's going to be face painting. There's going to be live music and performances on the stage. There's going to be a petting zoo. There's going to be a Toonie barbecue. So really affordable, and everything other than the Toonie barbecue is free. So a great opportunity for families to get out. And I think the majority of our booths are going to have some sort of a carnival game. So there'll be lots of things for the kids and for families to do.
Okay, so start praying to Mother Nature right now. June the 12th is going to be. What can they expect when they come to visit the High River Healthcare Foundation booth?
So we are having a little fun with the health kind of spin on our organization, and we are hosting a teddy bear checkup. And dollies, of course, are welcome. So if anyone wants to bring their favorite stuffy or their favorite dolly, we're going to give them a little checkup with real medical equipment and give them the once over and make sure that that they're taken really good care of. And at the same time, we're going to have a beanbag toss for the parents of the stuffies and for the parents of the kids. And everyone that participates with that will have their name entered into a draw for $100 family fun pack. So we hope to have a little bit of fun and play around with some medical equipment and hopefully see some really great, get a chance to visit with some great little ones.
Okay, I love that. So what time on the 12th? Did you say that?
I did not. So yes, Sunday, June 12th, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., George Lane Park, free family fun event.
Oh, it's going to be so awesome. Okay, I love it. It's great. We're going to have a fun June ahead of us. We're also going to be talking about our healthcare conversations throughout the month of June. We're going to learn how to be better patients. We're going to advocate for ourselves. We're going to learn how to be proactive with our health, and we'll be sharing some great conversation coming up throughout the month of June as we continue our women's healthcare focus. I'm so excited about this. I loved our conversation last week, learning more about our teen clinic. It was just so much amazing information. And that's really why we're doing this, is because we want to help continue to share what's happening in our community for your health. Because gosh, there's so many things.
Yeah, it really is amazing when you get down to the various programs and services that are available that, unfortunately it's lots of people don't know about. So this has been a great platform for us to share that. And as you said, it was a great conversation with Dr. Norheim and with the RN Ria and with Megan, a youth volunteer here at the hospital participating in that conversation.
It was so good. So if you want to find out more about all of the things that we've been chatting about, or would like to support any of the cool things that we've been talking about today, please go visit our website at highriverhealthfoundation.ca and you can learn more there. Kathy, so excited for June.
Busy June.
It's gonna be so good.
Absolutely.
Get my panda bear ready to come to the picnic with a purpose. Perfect. So we can get a checkup.
Yeah. Before we know it, it'll be October.
Don't say that. We're not ready to talk dinner and auction today, but we will be back to talk about that very soon, but not today. Thank you for connecting with us. Please feel free to share this video onto your social media and help us get the word out about the things that are coming up in the month of June. Kathy, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Jody. It's been great to see you again.
Bye, everyone.